But young get now it's fine and every time come up every get some blood clot this them pants and sit and talk fuck off with them to say top blood clot with them big old pants together.
Yeah.
And talk you, I mean, you need a Yankee, you come here, you put the girl in them pussy. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And that's what they have on put the girl in them pussy, you know, come to smoke and jam, bumbo clot and drop your pants.
Remember some black man? Remember some black man? See?
Yeah, I'm a black man, I use a black man, so I like this my black friend them around me.
Yeah,
look decent.
They look decent.
Yeah, so you must stop wearing that fucking bitch shirt.
Come on, you have to just decent, brother. You can't, you me Yankee, you can't.
Yeah, but so the girl them see you. So the girl them see you. The girl them supposed to have a taste about you. If I have a look for them, right?
Yeah, that little Wayne look, that little Wayne. Yeah! You know what I mean? So, how you got that cash money millionaire look, and you ain't fucking dressing like a cash money millionaire. You gotta dress like a cash money millionaire, bro. You can't looking like a motherfucking, come on, Yankee. Come on, bro.
Look like a cash money.
No, you're looking like a fucking cokehead.
Yeah,
That's going in the state and burn the coke after. When you can't get anything, you're going out in the fucking early.
That's some street beauty.
You understand? So that means that you got to clean up yourself and make the girl know the boy you and the girl and man you fuck out and pussy. You burn in ganja, you burn cigarette and then something and you burn coke, you're supposed to fuck out the girl and all.
True that.
Yeah, man. You know, we had the road and I go and like say, boy, chew my pants, big guy, all of my pants. You know, so, girl, them pussy words. Fuck out them words. Put on some good clothes and sew it. And then you put vanity,
No.
a vanity, so that if you have to put on some vanity, and they can come at it. Yeah, sir. It's the way of the life and the world right now. Yeah, no. But you look like a fucking, you know, you got to change that. You're a young man.
Yeah.
And so where you're afraid, walking up the boat, you're fucking young.
I'm going some yard, I'm not going to age, you know.
I remember you a yard and somebody you're out there. You go up there and you're there here now.
Yard is no age, yo.
When you born there?
You say, yeah, nigga?
1981, nigga.
1981, what month?
January, nigga.
You're a January man.
Yeah.
I'm drifting like that.
Yeah.
Oh, you got Capricorn?
Yeah, nigga, with Capricorn.
Whoa, yeah, the one on Capricorn.
David.
Hey, man, Capricorn on your rate, man, that's what's up, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, respect, though. You never left me out, regardless of what.
We only like 90 days apart, nigga. You know what I'm saying, nigga?
Yeah, 90 days apart.
Yeah, no.
True. But what I'm saying,
Cause now April, you don't know. Yeah, man, April, you don't know. You don't know if you can cook on them something. I don't know your status, brother. I don't know your state. Remember, I don't know when you see you can cook. Someone say you can't cook. I want to box. I say you can't fry an egg. Not even an egg.
I can cook.
No, you say you can't cook.
No, I can't cook. I can't cook because I got no facilities to cook.
So you can't cook chicken?
Rice and bully meat, I can cook. I can cook.
Oh, you can't cook tin food?
Yeah.
You can cook chicken?
Only tin food?
I cook chicken. I cook chicken before.
No, raw food. You can't cook beef and stew and cow food and all that?
No. I can't cook all that. That's too heavy. Never cooked nothing like that in my life.
You might say, oh, that's too heavy.
Yeah.
But I'm going to beef and rice.
So on to yam. You can't cook yam?
I can boil yam, peel yam and boil yam. Yeah, but I never done it before.
What are the best food to eat, man? It's all
seafood is the best thing, brother.
Yeah, man.
Hardcore media proper way. I wanna drop a night, drop a day. Yeah. Holy shit, that's up.
Hey, all your slave job, you must step on it.
I'm a man, I'm bumper clown.
Get tuna.
Take time, no scratch.
I'm killing Momo.
Nobody do it.
Yo, let me show up with them.
Alright, tu sabes algo, no me marco, I want to go.
Hey, man, that's a wrong.
Yeah, no, man. How are you
I'm buying my bomb clock.
Boy, Moneyras come like a surf of Hollywood or one of them places. Who that money, you know?
At the bomb, $50 like fuck it. No, sir, a little bit of money. Let's check yourself.
Rob me.
Yeah, money, just sir.
You're pushing.
Where would that money?
Good night, them. Give me a wrong.
Give me wrong.
You're not wrong.
Moneyras. Yes, I'm making a wrong.
Moneyras.
I want to know.
Moneyras. I tell him, Mr. Buy my cigarette. I tell him, I go suck out the mother pussy.
Yeah, cause Jordan a smoke.
Oh, you're not smart.
Yeah, that's why I do that.
This man on this.
This is, cause you not smoke. I you not smoke.
Hey, watch it
So they say buy me a rum.
Look at y'all pussy smoke. Gamble.
Broke Ross.
Then we got to kiss him, daddy.
You can, bro.
They never know about goat him. Moneyras. What? They were broken up. Watch out. Watch out, Moneyras.
What is that?
Well, you run now, man, and stop bumbo clad you have your money. Man, you hate your chow.
Oi.
Stop it now, man.
Yeah, my man, the robber in the start.
Oi, what wrong with
You know, man.
Be a US in there now, Jonah.
the boy?
Man, the robber in the
Yo, come in.
What's up? Yankee, you are
It's
there?
my phone, man.
Yankee is
Yeah,
here.
Yankee Mo.
Yankee is here.
Oh, that was space, man.
Yankee, Hey man, you know every morning, man.
Hey, come here.
Hey Yankee,
Where's that, man?
hey Yankee.
When you live in fucking America, how was it doing? Come closer. Let me see.
Yeah, you get
Hey, get up. You better sit.
I'm giving you this.
Yankee.
Yankee, I'm in Carol.
Moneyras, tell him I'm going
In my seat. No, this is the special seat.
No, get up on the Yankee seat. It's a million. Where do bodyguard?
Rasta.
See Yankee get a seat there.
Rasta, yeah, Rasta, man. Ready, you be a dirty fool.
That's good that I easy. I will sit back.
You're gonna be a
How Timothy went beer on machine, me on up on. Green one is
a dirty pants, yeah, man.
Dirty pants, yeah, man.
Yeah, hear me? Rasta. Rasta,
He's up here too
You
there.
have to be it to someone. Yeah, the rest in there.
Rasta need to clean. Rasta need to dirty.
No power not talk about Rasta. I don't know nothing in traditional Rasta.
Tell me, one with the tradition.
Oh, the children are weird.
What the traditional Rasta?
Honest and clean and the policy of the Rasta man.
Look up right now, you don't clean, cause the underpants clean.
Where?
Yeah, try the pants. It's what you put on
Yeah,
it.
me not wear the
When
pants
you put
too,
on
yeah.
it, when you put on a 2 days, you say you don't change
That's
pants.
got this the
I'm not change the pants.
No, my pants have a change.
No.
And wash.
No, I'm change my other pants. I 2 days I wear my pants. Alright. I change my other pants. I wear a different shirt every day.
You wear a different shirt every day.
A different marina every day.
And that's why I like Cassie them rich one.
Right? You know, say my richest Cassidy.
You know what I mean? The poorest bumbo clad Cassie in our life, you see? And every Cassie rich in our real life.
Yes, about the little Cassidy.
No, then Cassie there, you see? I'm a family, but I want it was of the great descendants them. when they come and they can't read and write good. So they fucking then spell the name C. Which are why we don't name Cassie. We name Cassie.
Cassie.
Yeah, so everybody we name Cassie rich.
Yeah.
So they want them name C, they must suffer you for.
You have them put a wrong letter.
Yeah, because we couldn't read and write, so we couldn't come to Jamaica. Because we name Cassie. And Cassie will spell Remember, you know, when I go to school, teacher give pronunciation right.
So tell me something. Where you from? Can you say when you
Where me come from?
Yeah, can you say when you come to Jamaica?
You know when me come?
Yeah.
When my fourth parents I come like,
Where them from?
they come from India.
India, yeah. Some part of you are black and some part of you are Indian.
Mentality, I wanna be a nigger.
Yeah, you're a nigger?
Because I don't know this Hindustani.
Only one way you can be a nigger, you got to chip that ear off your head and you'll be a nigger.
No, can't trip.
Huh?
Rastafari is a real original. Rasta doesn't organize, you know. That's something we grew up. I wish my mother never threw me from me one.
Okay.
In the present moment of my life,
Yes.
I would have... No, I'm not to lean upon you, man.
No, you don't have to do that.
No lean upon man.
No, man, a woman will like lean
You take me lean upon blood clot, man.
After when I love man.
Blood clot, yeah.
We love man.
Aye. Yeah, my money and my bumbo clock pocket can buy more rum if you want.
No, man, buy rum and so that would there for you. Money would there for me.
I want, you want money?
I mean.
I want, come and give you money then.
Come here, man. What the
Buy rum, man. Make we drink bumbo clock rum. Make we show yourself. Yo.
You want the blood. Are you in that blood clot?
Bumbo clock.
You want the blood.
5,000 me up.
What are we?
About 5,000 me got. Yo,
Yeah, come here, man.
me never fly to America yet.
Them I want to richest man, them like place.
Hold on.
Take him simple, you know.
Alright, me never go to America yet. Me show you something.
Money dog,
Alright,
you
watch
understand?
out. Money dog.
Yeah, man,
100 US me have.
What's it?
100 US.
Push up,
50
push up
US.
the money.
Where?
Push up the
100
money,
US.
man.
Come
Come here. Money time, come.
Alright, 100 US. Watch out. You have
Yeah,
money
run
like
that black.
fuckery. You said I rode like half 2 o'clock tonight?
Yeah.
And 3 o'clock?
Light on the
I
man.
gone out of Valley Road, go and buy a fuck, you know.
They not
5,000. Turn that back way. Plop, plop, plop.
Oh, yeah, come here.
Sometime all 3 minutes, my money done.
Rasta.
Plop, plop, plop.
Rasta, what the fuck? Done. I just hook up and boom boom, man. When the flap that take time.
Where fuck that man?
Light on the man.
We not
Brian.
man.
Yo, light on the
Y'all
man.
kiss go go. Turn it back way.
Yeah, man.
Blop, blop, blop.
Yo, y'all go, man.
Fuck Bob McClark, y'all. And kiss y'all everybody fuck. I read that. Give us all jump back way. Sometimes we take long and sometimes we chop off a shape, but
Yeah.
when the energy is good,
Yo,
fuck, they
Yeah.
cry creep.
Alright, just when I go
Ask
find
me if
anything
you
that-
don't know.
when I go on anything,
Remember that blood clot.
when I go on anything, you have to understand what you're doing, man. You can't go there weak, you know. You have to go there with food in your system. You know what I'm saying?
No man,
You don't go
sometimes.
on anything there
No,
with
man.
beer rum. When you go on it, you'll drop down. You have to stand up.
No man.
Yeah, man, you have to go there with vibes.
No, you have to understand about rum drinking.
But you have to go with vibes. Cause if you're going to drop down, that means a boy, you're
You know,
weak.
say sometimes you see, you get caught up and out, drink some rum. And one next time you don't want a rum.
Yes. But I like you know, when you start drinking rum, and
Alright.
I drink rum.
You know, so enough time I come and road and suck up my rum, I don't want to see no pussy clock, girl.
No, that matter.
I don't want no fuck.
There you can go.
Because I pray money. And I say, which one I can grab some money? Yeah. I know some things that, brother.
Yeah, man.
I know some things that, brother. My thing is a vice versa life, man.
Yeah, man, welcome.
Ethan!
What no?
Yeah, man, I him this man. See him there? Yeah, man. Tusa rich, you know.
I pay blood class or unruly.
Wind up the car window, Tusa.
Hey, the body up. Remember the body and body up, you know, and you put them in the car.
No boy, no body, I grandfather and wash out some blood class sometimes. It can't be flood out, man. And wash out some garbage, man. And some bacteria.
If me a grown up, the place that me drive.
But I have put out to see them and son them and deal with them, just them, you know. That's the other man.
Tear up, you know.
Yeah.
I never know
Pull
the
them out and,
I never know the
Son, well, I
people can't tear up carpets up.
yeah, man.
Because they put
And they
paper
put
on the
all-
carpet too. When they take out the paper and they push up, they don't touch it again.
Yeah, man.
Buckle.
Yeah. Go pick up the other part and come back. I use the other part.
Man, Yankee, the gangster in the road, they wash all the car them.
Oh, man,
Yeah, man, pick up your damn self.
Understand that.
We continue.